Hello everyone, do you know that your phone secretly installed some apps? They always monitoring your phone, your activity, and they showing ad to your phone that are similar to your interest. So in this video, I'm going to stop them or try to uninstall them. So let's do it. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to open your Play Store. So after open your Play Store, go on the top right hand corner your profile icon, and after that there have a option help and feedback. Simply select it. So right now there have a option search icon. Simply select it and type here app. Right now there have a option you can find delete apps on your Android device. So simply open it. So here you can see after open there have a option tab to go to application settings. Simply select it. Right now here have a option you can find on the bottom more, then select show system, and right now there have a option here you can see add privacy. Simply select it. So actually this app secretly installed to your phone, and even if you just check they have no option to stop or uninstall. Actually this option is turned off by developers, so you cannot uninstall them or you cannot stop force them. So this app actually collect the information or interest from your phone and showing ad to your phone. So another app is, if you just scroll down here you can find, I'm just showing you the app. So here you can see digital well-being. So this app also there have no option to uninstall. This app also collect the information from your mobile phone and send it to the developers. So if you just want to stop them, so what you need to do, you just need to go back and open your phone settings simply. So go to search bar and type here special. So here you can see I just type special. Right now you can find the option special permissions. Simply select it. So after select, you just need to scroll down and you can find the option users access. Simply select it. Right now select on this more show system, and here you can see there have a option add privacy. Simply select it. Right now you just need to turn it off. Right now go back again, and here you can find the option digital well-being. So simply select it and turn it off. So if you just turn off these two app, they totally stop and they cannot collect information, they cannot monitor your phone, and you can really boost your phone privacy. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.